I want to take you back because a lot you have lost. Lost time, lost hope, lost dream. I remember when I was very young, all my dream is what is coming to fulfillment. When something happened to me, I would remember, I dreamed it. When I was in secondary school those days, those dreams I used to have, each come to pass one by one. And believe that if your dream has been coming to pass, you will not be where you are today. You are not created to be tail, but to be head. You have lost dream, a lot of dream. If you recall your dream in the past, 10 years, 20 years ago, you will remember that those dreams has not come to pass. Where you eat with king, queen, president of nation, and you find yourself in a palace, yet you have never been to a palace till now. So right now, let us go to that which we have lost. Let us go to that which we have lost. Tell your neighbor. I can't hear you. Yes. Right now, begin to recover your lost dream. Prayer. Begin to recover your lost dream. Your lost dream, your lost dream. I command you right now to recover your lost dream. You once dreamed you are a king, but today you are on the streets. In the name of Jesus Christ. You won't dream seeing yourself a president of a nation, but today you are still on the street. You once dreamed see yourself in the palace, controlling palace, but today you know opposite is what you are doing now. You once dreamed seeing yourself with crown and people